A large bow window today in Morris Plains. That's the old one, and we're doing that double awning window as well. This should be a nice improvement. I started ripping out the window, moved all the trim that had a leak before. And a lot of times that's caused by having no insulation here above, which we'll rectify. And then the heat escapes in the winter to an ice dam in the gutter and then melts it from inside out and it starts dripping in. Okay, there goes that one. That was heavy. In Morris Plains. Looks really nice. 2 windows. Can't forget the little double awning window. Beautiful. Okay, here's the inside of the finished window. New trim. And a little twin window here. Twin one. There you go.